we have some audience questions?
So, last season, Darth Sobel got away from the rebels, Gemma took off to find Yoda, and Abel got taken away by the Irish Boba Fett. Was Empire Strikes Back at all an influence in season 2?
We must be Holocaust.
It was obviously an influence on you.
It's time to go home. I just want to say, this is my first time here, and I'm so excited to see this many people in the city.
Hi, my question is actually if Jax and Clay in this season are going to come closer together or become more divided.
You just got to tune in, man. I mean, you know, in all fairness, it's like one story. I think the whole 13 episodes takes place over, what, a couple of weeks. And to say where we're going to go in this forum is to do a disservice to, you know, the storytelling we're trying to do. So, no disrespect, but watch the goddamn thing.
Okay, my question is for Kurt. I wanted to know if we're going to find more of the backstory of how Gemma and Clay got together, and when the club found out, whether it was before John's death or after John's death.
We'll get a little bit more information in terms of the backstory, more about with Gemma and John this season. John Teller rather than Gemma and Clay. And for me, like, a lot of that reveal doesn't happen. You know, if we're fortunate enough to keep doing this, a lot of that won't play out probably for, you know, another couple seasons.
We have time for 2 more questions.
Hi, I just want to say I'm a huge fan, so much so I've got my mum watching it now. Just want to know, have they been taking any serious pulls on any of the bikes? And if so, were the bikes okay?
Tommy Flanagan is our resident stuntman. He came up a couple of times. I haven't actually seen the footage of his last spill. You saw it.
Season 3 DVD gag reel. Half of it's Tommy falling off bikes.
By the way, are you from the network that you were more concerned about the bikes? Sort of straight. Oh, Lloyd's in London, where are you?
From Wales in the UK.
Okay, this is the last question. I'm really nervous. My favorite fucking show. Sorry. Is Gemma gonna kick or ass this season? Maybe skateboard, surfboard, or?
Gemma. Yeah, Gemma gets very familiar with a gun. That was season 3. But it's, she's definitely going to kick more. Yeah, she's on a more angry journey, I would say, this year. So,
More angry?
A little bit, yeah. So a little, she's uncomfortable. She's sequestered, so things happen.
Let's have another big hand for the people.